Good morning, boys and girls. It is I, North Sentinel Island, talking to you through some form of headset. It costs about $25, and it's far cheaper than those. Apparently, some Best Buy costs $450 now. How is that one better than the one I have now that costs $25? I don't know. And apparently, I'm assuming people actually buy them for some bizarre reason. So as you just guessed, I just loaded up the back end and the front end. And for that reason, we're going to, debug the front end. Once again, it's a pain in the ass to do with one monitor, but we have to do what we have to do. So what I'm thinking, we'll just go to app.js. Go down each one of these. As you guess, there's not that many of them. Just because this thing is only really maybe a third of the way done. And a lot of it is just dependent on scraping stuff, and the way I'm scraping this stuff, it's just going to take forever. But once I have this site back up and launched, then, I could always just find a way to polish things up. Okay, this is the first one. /judges. /judges equals the judge landing. Here we go. Here's the thunk. And we're just going to go search for something here. First of all, what I could see is that this first name and last name. Handle county change. Problem, of course, is that we want to see what this thunk does. The thunk is fetch judges from judge reducer, so we need to bring this up. Fetch judges, judge and county. Please remember that first name, last name crap. We don't need that anymore because we just have one judge. And Axios.get, judge and search. So we're going to have to load this up and figure out what we're getting. Judge and county. Judges.findAll, we're query. And return a bunch of judges. Seems fairly easy. So we obviously got first name and last name. The good thing is that find all, where query, it's just going to be a like. So if we search by the person's first name, it's like even in America, it's not really considered that good to call your judge by their first name. Like, hey Sam, how's it going there, buddy? They might say you're unprofessional or weird crap like that. But regardless, as you can see, this is the back end. This is the reducer. So what we need to do, handle first name change, set first name equal.target.value. Last name is good, and county. Handle search equals blah. Okay. Good. So what we need to do for the handle search is just going to two them together with one of those F literal things. Thinking, for the most part, we'll do it below it. I don't know if going above it or not works. I use it, for some reason I think it does do a difference, but I'm not sure. Const total judge, because that's what it is, equals F literal. First name equals literal f blank. How do we do this again? It's kind of difficult. I mean, if it sounds like it's embarrassing, because it is, that you forget simple syntax stuff when Googling code. You'll have to realize that as a software developer, you're looking up stuff constantly. I am stupid. I need to make a string literal using two variables, one called first name and the second last name. I am using JavaScript. This is embarrassing. This is a common question. Everyone starts somewhere. Yeah, I've been doing this for almost 5 years now, and then good. Yeah, it's curly braces. That's where I was wrong. And we're just going to call it full name. Or we're not going to call it total name. We're just going to call it judge, because that's what they want it to be called. Const judge equals there we go. We have a use effect not being used on judge landing. Where's this use effect? Oh, okay, I see what happened. I'm kind of OCD with that. Okay, so we got that. Next 20, previous 20, everything else looks kind of good. Judges equals judges. And we're good with that judges because, well, we have a const called. Now, which judge do you want to look up? Lemby. What the hell happened? Okay, backend. Did you just hurt something? Yes, you did. And you did return something. Good. So we know, I guess that's one way of checking the thunk. Let's see if we have anything in the state. And I don't want to use that. I mean, at least this way we could look up stuff with the state localhost 3000/judges. So we know let's Redux. Yeah, we got it. I mean, judges, mark the mu. Found the guy. The other state's good, so this was the, I mean, after playing with this long enough, I guess you figure out a way. Yeah, you could hear me. I mean, after a while, you could, well, guess people's names. I just want to test this out and go with Mark. Let's see how many Marks there are. And why would a parent name their kid this? M-A-R-C. Like, I can see this kid getting bullied as a kid. That's why he becomes a judge. Okay. So we know what the state is. So the state's good. The reason it's not populating is for reasons I don't understand. State.judge dot judges dot judges. Would it populate now? Undefined slots. Okay, at least we're making some progress. We have an error now. Those things are fine. This obviously works. It's interesting. Unique judges equals judges. Okay, and judges equals useState. State.judge.judges. You're upset because, well, apparently we're getting a status is working good. I don't like this chat thing. I mean, I really feel like it's just too easy. And I am having a and there we go. That's what I thought the line was. Okay. I knew that. I should know better. I should have known better than make simple code like that. I'm not gonna Google my name. I'm not a judge. Pamela. Yeah, word. Yep, we got. Okay, yeah, the state's working fine. I think I discovered why this is not working. And that is right. It is a capital letter. Jizz, I think. No, it's lowercase. Current page. Unique judges, paginated judges. Judge. Judge card. Let's look at the judge card. Judge. You think I know where I'm having problems? Judgy.first name? No. That's judgy.judge. I really want these things to throw errors at you if, you know, like if they don't find, if they don't, like, yeah, there we go. See, now we got it here. I figured that out without that. So I'm proud of myself. Proud of myself for discovering something quite simple. Here we go. Here's a bunch of them. Tomas, Esbuka, as he's seen this situation. Good. You know, all the other previous stuff works. Man, it's For some reason, for one project I worked on in the past, after I clicked results, normally you just want all this stuff to disappear too, but they didn't. For some reason, always just wanted, I don't know. It's one of these weird things that no one for some reason, no one in the right mind would do, but for some reason I think it's good. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and say judges is kind of good. Basically, this is just debugging. I'm really just bringing over the new variables. We're going to make it look nice and pretty towards the end. For that reason, I don't really even think this is debugging as much. Okay, this is good. I wonder if I could comment here. And they won't let you comment there. Dodge landing. There we go. Okay. Judges/ID. Element. Judge details. I think this comes from here. There we go. Judges/1. Judges/ID. So now we have to go into judge details and see what's wrong with this one. We don't have one of those annoying cards, which makes life a little bit easier. Pet judge and crime details by ID. And the county reducer. So let's go to the county reducer. Even though it's Axios. Fetch judge and crime details by ID. Good. County details back 1. So we know that the thing here, basically we know on the back end, obviously it's working. It should hopefully be working because, well, we used it last time. So we got a bunch of stuff from Pamela Darcy. Judge details as crimes. And details nothing from nothing. Okay, so let's figure out what we did to screw this up. Well, we didn't do anything to screw this up. Undefined reading judge. Yeah, because it's not judge, it's capital J now. Is this supposed to be in the county reducer? State crime. Okay. I see what's going on here. County crime get. Some weird bloody crap. Yeah, and this is just one other reducer that we haven't used. It's very easy to make things. I need to figure out how to put a pause on this, because I need to take a dump again. As you guess, I have issues with my stool. I wonder how we could stop recording. Guess we're gonna stop recording, and I'll be right back.